Is this rugged case for the 17 going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So what I like about this case is that it does have that nice rugged feel to it, but it still kind of keeps that slim design, so going to be great for pocket use. It's not going to be too bulky in your pocket. It is dual layered as well, so the backing is going to be hard, but the actual outer piece is a lot more flexible, so it all comes together to make it great for shock absorption. When it comes to the lens area, it is a little bit popped out there, so that's going to offer just a tad bit more protection for those lenses. You got the MagSafe ring on the back, so going to be compatible with your MagSafe accessories. And just to show you, the MagSafe hold on it does a great job. I'm holding the phone from the power bank and it has a great hold to it. So yeah, going to be compatible with all that. Good stuff when it comes to MagSafe. You can see the screen side, there is an overhang as well. The case does go over that screen, so gonna offer a little bit more protection for that screen too, but if you wanted maximum protection, I'd just recommend getting a screen protector along with the case, and you'll have full protection for your screen. On both sides of the case though, there is extra grip. You can see that there's these nice grooves that you can work your fingers into, so if you're like on the phone or anything like that, you've got more grip there, and that's gonna be on both sides of the case. And then of course you have the cutout for the camera action button, which all the 17 models do have. Overall though, if you are a fan of more rugged cases, but you still wanna keep like a slim design so it's not gonna be bulky in your pocket, and then with the MagSafe compatibility and all that good stuff, it does allow it to be a good daily case in my opinion. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a more protective 17 case.